Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this amazing recipe of this cake. It's really easy and it's so soft and fluffy. Follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. First of all, let's do the form of first parchment paper and the pan that you'll be using in the oven. Then, let's use a cooking plastic at the borders. Then, let's do the chocolate part. 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 milliliters of milk. First of all, let's heat up the milk with the chocolate and mixing all together. When the most part of the chocolate is melted, take it out of the heat and stir it again till everything is mixed. Then you can add the Rice Krispies. Then you mix it. After, you just lay it inside the pan and spread it around just like this, and then put it in the fridge. 20 grams of gelatin and 150 milligrams of water. Then you let it for 15 minutes. 500 grams of cheese, salt, and sugar, and 100 milliliters of yogurt. Then you can mix it all together. In another bowl, you add 500 of cold milk. Then you start to mix it. Okay, you have to get it to this consistency. Then add the other mix and mix it again. After that, when the gelatin is all done, you have to heat it up. After, you can go adding slowly to the mixing mixture. Then you can add your Rice Krispies in this moment, and mix it again. Then you take it out from the fridge and add the mixture that you just done. Then you can put it in your fridge for 2 hours. After, let's do the chocolate mousse that's gonna go on top. 100 milliliters of milk and mix it again. When most of the chocolate is melted, you take it out of the heat and go mix it again. And you can put it on top, and that will be practically it. When it's still wet, you can add the Rice Krispies on top as a decoration. And you put it again to the fridge. You take it out and take out the plastic and the paper, and that will be it. It's ready to eat. This cake is so easy to make, no need for no oven or anything. So It's really easy, it's fluffy and super delicious, and this recipe is so original. If you like this video, give me a like and follow my channel. Thank you for watching.